Yeah, so, and then, yeah, then South so yeah, this is, remember he wrote these books.
Yeah.
And then, when I took him to the races, we won a race, and then he let the horse in, and then when he came, he signed these books, Graham Dexter.
Very nice.
And then that's Ken White.
Yeah.
There's his signature.
Well,
then,
Graham got a lot of his pigeons from Ken White, didn't he? When Graham originally started with rollers, a lot of them come from Ken White.
Is that so, right?
Yeah.
I mean, he has Ernie Stratford. There's his signature.
Yeah.
But no, he never came. He never came to show
he died,
that.
didn't he? Oh, Ernie come to Stratford. Yeah, Ernie was here in South Africa. Ernie Stratford was here. Obviously, long time ago. Long time. I think he spent about
1984.
I think he spent about a month there. Not longer.
That's
that's
Jerry.
Jerry Higgins.
Judy. He's well known and famous.
In America. He's passed away now, hasn't he?
There's his signature. Never came.
He's passed away.
Yeah, sure. And there's Heine. We can't get rid of him. There's his signature. And there's Monty Devil.
And then there's John Wanlers,
John Mason.
the legend.
George Mason. He's been up here, he's not.
And then, so this house got good birds. I don't know.
Who's this? Yike on here. Seen him before.
Where's he?
Yeah.
Poon.
I've seen this face before.
Yeah, that guy.
Yeah.
So the first living bird flower they had in South Africa, he won it.
Didn't know you've done that.
The second flower I won it. The third bird flower, John Paul won it. That they stopped having them.
Was that?
Yeah, so they stopped having it. Then this was like the COVID flower. That was like the South African flower.
The ones under lockdown.
Aye, that was the long lockdown, yeah. And then this was John Paul winning the Nationals. He won the Nationals twice.
Right.
So he's going to give us a chance this year. And then,
Doesn't he fly later, John?